Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. Today we are going to look at some newish skincare launches. I was meant to do one of these a few weeks back and forgot to do it, so some of them are old and some of them are new, and hopefully I might be able to save you some money, just to let you know my opinion of what I think about these new skincare launches and if I think they're going to be any good. So let's take a look. I'm going to start off with the Nicki Tutorials Nimya launch. I am going to be buying this because if I haven't already, I don't know what date this is going up. Depending when this is going up, there might be a review video soon. But no, I'm interested in this as a makeup skincare hybrid. I am not expecting this to do wonders for my skin. What I do want this to do is make my skin look good for the day. If I do choose to wear like a compact cushion, is that what they're called that day? I don't know. It's interesting because I feel like this is being promoted as a skincare line, but I really feel like it's just a makeup prep line in the form of skincare products. Does that make sense? I don't expect any of these to give me amazing skin after months of use, you know. Little update here, I have managed to get my hands on the bundle, so I'll give it like, I think like 2-3 weeks to try it, up to a month, and give you more of a first impressions. Swiftly moving on, we have the new Jennifer Aniston Lolavi. So it's literally not what I expected. This is a hair detangler. We were told that they were going to be launching skincare. We were all waiting for the new Jennifer Aniston skincare line. I'm not going to be trying this hair product, but I'm also not going to be trying any skincare that they release. Not because I think it's going to be bad, partly because I don't care about celebrity skincare launches. Some I do, some I don't. Jennifer Aniston, I'm definitely not the demographic, and I do feel like it's that clean feeling. It's the natural, clean, no chemicals, no nasty stuff that I just don't like, don't want to encourage, and don't want to spend money on. But I'm dying to see what products they do launch when it comes to skincare. I don't know. A relatively newish launch is the Farmacy Green Clean Cleansing Bars. We have a few new flavors. I call them flavors. We have Green Clean Strawberry Basil, Lemon Mint, and Peach Thyme. Of course, these are limited edition. I hate when brands do that. Just bring out products and keep them out. Like, what if I really like the strawberry one and you're going to take it away from me? Very summery, all these flavors, which I find a bit weird seeing as we're now going to autumn winter. It doesn't appear as though any of the formulation is different. It's going to be that same quick melting makeup sunscreen wiping away, cleansing away formula that we love. They are $42, so it looks like they're going to be like a mini trio, which I think is really, really cute. I love Farmacy as a brand. I love their approach to sourcing their own ingredients, having their own farms, growing their own ingredients as well. And I just love this cleansing balm. It's one of my favorite cleansing balms of all time. I will always go back to the original Green Clean cleansing balm. Absolutely love it. As for the little kits, I don't really like the rest of their products. The Deep Sweep BHA is a really good product, but it just smells a bit funny. The AHA serum is quite good actually, but you know, I would pick others over it. But yeah, I'll be trying those, just not the little kits. Juvia's Place. I think I said that right, skincare. They actually sent me, I'm looking at it now, they sent me this in PR. I am going to be trying it. I've said this to a few people, but it's given me very The Ordinary in Glow Recipe packaging, and some of the percentages are kind of crazy. For example, we have high percentage vitamin C's, we have a 20% niacinamide serum, a 25% vitamin C serum as well. It's all a little bit too high for my skin personally. I have used the cleansing balm, and I must say the texture is amazing. It's so nice. Is it anything new? Not really, no. This is very heavily scented and it's not my favorite scent. It smells very much like Countryside Gift Shop in the sense that it's very floral, in my opinion. But I am excited to use the other products. I use the cleanser actually as well, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. Again, nothing too new, but what I do think you have here is a good set of products if your skin is used to higher percentage actives and high percentage ingredients. Would I be rushing out to buy it? I don't think so if I was you just yet. I'd wait for some of the reviews to come in, to be honest with you. Saying that, the products like the 20% niacinamide, the hyaluronic acid, the exfoliating pads, all products that we've seen before. If you know your skin can tolerate those percentages and you want to try them, knock yourself out. Now, will I be trying Ariana Grande's Rem? REM Beauty. It's saying here that the products actually include mascara, eyeliner, lip products, under eye brightener, skincare, body care, also hair extensions and more. They say that might change as well. Yeah, I'll be trying it. I'm going to try it all. Some celebrities I care more about than others. Again, I'm not an Ariana Grande fan. That's not to say that I dislike her. I just mean I don't know a lot about her. I don't listen to her music willingly. It's everywhere, so I hear it. But I'm going to try it. I want to see what it's like. I feel like she would have a good concept. I feel like we're thinking Fenty, Rare Beauty kind of direction, in the sense that it's going to feel more like a single standalone brand than Ariana Grande's brand, if that makes sense. Please excuse the way I look, but whilst editing this, Ariana Grande actually announced that REM is going to be under / made by former brands. This is kind of a letdown to me, in my opinion, because their skincare brands aren't that great. So we have Morphe Skincare, I believe it's called, or Morphe 2, and Bad Habit, which is Emma Chamberlain's brand. And to be honest, it's not the best skincare around. Look at my morning hair. So I'm a little bit disappointed. The promotional pictures that she's released, Ariana Grande's released about Rem Beauty, they look great. I think the concept's going to be that really cool, kind of like what people thought the future would be in the 60s, you know, very Jetsons. But as far as the product production goes, I'm not sure. It doesn't look like she's going to be doing skincare for a while, even though that's under what she plans to do. So it looks like we're not really going to get skincare drop anytime soon. It looks like makeup first, which is predictable coming from former. So we'll see. But I will 100% be trying it if I can get my hands on it. If they don't ship to the UK, it might be a little bit more difficult, but I have my ways. Oh, the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Yes, I have been trying this. And to be honest with you, I've not seen the benefits of the dark spots fading, because I haven't had any for a long time, thank God, touch wood. But I've seen a difference general in brightness. This is a serum I've been reaching for. I got this like a month and a bit before launch, so I've been trying it for a while. And in general, as far as brightness goes on my skin, some people have been mentioning in the comments that my skin looks brighter recently. Thank you. I put it down to this because it's the only different thing I've been using, and the only vitamin C I use. I don't really use a lot of vitamin C serums, but this doesn't feel like it. It's very much like their dewdrops as far as like texture and feeling on the skin goes, and it doesn't leave you with the dewdrop dewiness, but it gives you just a very bright, hydrated, moisturized look to your skin, and it's just a serum to go for if you want your skin to look nice that day, you know, with these long-term benefits as well. But full review coming on that. The Pink Matter Multi Lip Balm from Make Beauty, one of the brands I am most excited about that launched this year, maybe? I really enjoy their products. I love their products. Their moisturizer, do I have it here still? No. The Succulent Moisturizer is still one of my favorite moisturizers of all time ever. I got sent this in PR again. This is the Pink Matter Multi Balm. It's nice. It's a nice, rich, non-sticky lip balm. They do say you can use it everywhere. My only issue is that it feels somewhat mentholy, and that doesn't work anywhere else other than your lips or your skin for me. I don't like that feeling anywhere else on my skin. So as far as being a multi-balm goes, I won't be using this on dry patches of skin. I won't be using it on my, my cuticles, my hands. It's just it's too fresh. It's too minty for me. But as a lip balm, as a night mask, I absolutely love this. But yeah, I wouldn't be buying it thinking, oh, I'll get my money's worth because I use it everywhere. I don't think that's the case. Speaking of like multi-balms, let's look at Topicals Slick Salve. They say it's like an ointment plus your favorite hydrating serum in one. I actually really, really like the look of this one. We got peptides, amino acids, and plant stem cell extracts to help stimulate collagen production. Topicals is a brand that I absolutely love. I feel like their products are really well thought out, and they don't just release any old shit in order to make money. And this is the type of salve that I would use everywhere. This is the kind of thing that I'd use as like an ointment, as a multi-balm. I love the packaging, so simple, really, really cute, easy to carry around. And honestly, Topicals is just a brand that has worked so well for me before. Their butter, was it like butter product, saved my hands from winter. Like, they were cracking. It was the first winter my hands were actually bleeding. They were so dry because obviously we were all washing our hands, we were using hand sanitizers, and their like butter cream ointment product saved my skin that cold winter. So I'm super looking forward to that. One product I think is so stupid. The Real Techniques Miracle Skincare Sponge. They say tone and stimulate, enhances skin's texture and helps prevent makeup from creasing. Solution for loss of firmness and elasticity. Dull skin infused with vegan collagen. Hang on, let me have a look. Okay, so they say the Real Technique Sponge plus Miracle Skincare Sponge works to enhance skin's texture. Fine. Like, has this got skincare in it? I don't understand. Has it got skincare in it? Or is it just a sponge? I don't know what it is. See, this is what it's saying. It features a vegan collagen infusion. So they're saying the sponge has vegan collagen in. Am I missing something here? Is there? I don't understand, because the directions just say add your own skincare product. It doesn't pump out product, right? Because who gives a shit if it's got collagen in it? That's not going to do anything for your face. This is literally like one of those cleansing sponges, like with the little thing. This is a shit. There's no reason to use this whatsoever. Scrubbing your skin, like, just exfoliate. That isn't gonna do anything. Those little bumps on the sponge isn't gonna do anything. I don't understand. It's such a terrible product. It's just, why would you want to put your toner on a sponge and then apply it like that? It's like, apply toner or whatever. Why would you want to do it like that? Am I missing something? Like, this is just something that doesn't need to exist. It's like merging a makeup thing with a skincare thing that just doesn't go together in any way whatsoever. Like, I get skincare brushes because it's like a luxury experience and you put it on and product doesn't seep into the makeup brush. I don't know. I don't know. I don't get it. Tell me if I'm missing something. Do I not quite understand the product? Let me know. The last product we're going to talk about, I feel like every time I do one of these videos, Wishful launch a product. And whilst I don't think their latest launch, the Honey Whip Peptide Moisturizer, is bad, it's just nothing new. Again, if you're into K-beauty, you would have seen all this before. This is nothing new. It's kind of old news now as well. There's a million products that work like this. We got Centella in here, collagen, which is key to youthful looking firm and plump skin. It's just moisturizing. So no, I'm not going to be purchasing that or even trying it. Wishful is just a brand that, as you know, I just don't care for. I'm not bothered. It all seems very outdated to me. And I would say if you're interested in K-beauty or you wonder what K-beauty all about, Wishful have managed to kind of like replicate what is good and what K-beauty is known for, but just by Korean skincare. I just feel like Wishful is just something. Okay, it's all very old, and it kind of looks like a Nature Republic product to me, that has been around for a long time. So I don't know. Those are the products that I will be trying, not trying, and I'm sure about. Let me know what you think of some of these launches in the comments down below, and you can watch some more product reviews here. There's some general light entertainment here, and I'll see you over there.